Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna make a very delicious dish, fish cake with lotus root. First, remove the skin of one lotus root and chop it into pieces. Then soak the lotus root in water and set aside. Chop 2 stalks of celery, 2 green onions, and a small piece of ginger and place them in a medium bowl. Then chop 1 shiitake mushroom. Chop 1 cup of pork belly. The pork belly is optional. Next, chop 1 pound of cod or any other fish you like and add them into the bowl. Now let's drain the water and pour the chopped lotus root into a big bowl. Then add the other ingredients and mix well. Add sea salt, white pepper, cooking wine, sesame seed oil, and 4 eggs. Then mix well. Add gluten-free flour blend or regular wheat flour and mix well again. In a pan, at low heat, add your olive oil. Make the fish mixture into balls. Place the balls into the pan. Cook for 30 seconds to crust the bottom, and then press all the balls into cakes. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes covered at low heat. Then flip them over and cook for another 3 to 5 minutes at low heat. Cook for several minutes without the lid and flip them several times. Then it's done. Ready to serve.